company of Seattle. Okay, they tend to burn their beans a little bit. Okay, it's still amazing because I'm used to the burning beans taste.
Right.
But you might not be used to it. It's very rare.
Yeah, I think I've seen it though. Like here and there. Maybe they have it here though. Right?
Maybe. Maybe. For the party. Yeah.
Let's hear what's going on from Lydia. There's a lot of banshee action.
Everyone, I've never heard of this word. I've not heard a lot of things in life. Yes, I'm in this question a lot. I think what I'm allowed to say is part of the family, and you will find out more of why it's part of the family. And I think it's just fun to learn a backstory about any character, any person in life, because I think they are really about it. And I love to see somebody's family and friends, especially their family, because I just love how somebody was like built, like Legos to me. And yeah, I think that's so fun. I think one of the reasons I love Lost so much is it had so much, it was so heavily backstory driven. And like Bob's Company and Roundabout, and that's definitely how it's coming. I love that that's the best way to get to know somebody around it. And yeah, so I think it's great to learn about Lydia's childhood a little bit and beyond her extended family. And we're going to get into this more.
And what about Lydia and Deputy Parrish? Is there, like, I mean, obviously, but I mean, like, even just the mystery, like, she's the one who noticed something, so what's going on with that?
Very observant. That's fun. No, it's funny because I was just saying this, I've known Ryan Kelly for many years before he ever became a part of my life or his life. And I've also known Hecklin for a long time. I met them around the same time. I was acting. It was my first year acting. I was on a show called 12 Miles of Bad Road at the time for HBO that never went. And so the fact that like it's come full circle and we're all working together is incredible. But I can't speak on that. There is a love interest, but I'm not allowed to say who. Potentially. I'm married, but also might not. She experiences a lot of romantic freedom, as I'm calling it, throughout most of the season. I think I'm allowed to say that. I'm always getting in trouble for this.
We did see Sky's Lydia on the next.
I was gonna say it sparked a frenzy. I have to find out. I mean, I think Lydia has mixed emotions about Lydia's actions and styles, but that's in me judging my own character. I'm like, well, you deserve it. You didn't go from me out. So what are you supposed to do with that? You know? So there's some conflict there, but she's good at solving problems, and I think that's Lydia's main goal this season is helping where she couldn't help in season 3B, which obviously with Allison she got there a day with Bella story. So that's her main goal this season is just helping where she can. I've been told some that I can't say, and then there's a lot of it overall that I still don't know. I think season 4 dives into it more than ever has before, and I think season 5 will only continue that path. I didn't get to work with her in season 3B at all, and when I watched her stuff back, I was like, who is this girl? She's amazing. We're all in love with her. Oh, we love her. Oh, she's so amazing. And I get to have like a couple scenes with her this season, and she's just a joy to work with. She's really young, and I love interesting, fun young actors. Allison Pill is my favorite young actor that's working right now, and her younger actress. And I think like I absolutely love her. Jeff would kill me if I see anyone else. But I mean, I think anything she does, little or big, it might be the slightest thing with her, but as an actress, it speaks volumes. That's what the one tip that I can give. Even if it's a slight little thing, it's so pun intended.
We have time for one more question.
Okay, so Lydia has always been, you know, she was the straight A student, she's always so good. Are her grades suffering at all with occasionally transcribing random codes and stuff like that instead of her homework?
I was gonna say Lydia will never get a B. I don't think that's ever gonna happen. But it's funny because when I was in college, my first year I was just a pre-med student, and my second year I was still a pre-med student, even though my dad tried to deter me away from it while trying to act. And I was a pretty big stickler about my grades in college, not high school, but in college. And when I started acting, my grades suffered immensely. It went down 1.5 points. I'm not kidding you. I graduated, let's just say like an average student, wholeheartedly. And I'm not proud of that fact, but it's true. And Lydia, of course, in like movie land, of course her grades suffered. They're like, I don't know. I don't think Lydia sleeps. I think that should be her real superpower. She's doing her homework.
Can I get it straight on? Can I get it straight on camera?